Hi everybody, hope you're doing great. Today I'll be reviewing the UFO by Khree. The UFO by Khree is the world's first e-cig with two pod atomizers. The two cartridges allow more than one flavor in the same device. The kit comes in a slide-out cardboard box. Inside the box is the UFO pod device and an accessories box. The box contains an instruction manual, cartridge flavor stickers, a USB charging cable, and a spare 2 ml pod. The UFO can be charged via the USB port located on the bottom of the device. It is roughly 2.5 inches in length by 3/8 inches in width. To use the UFO, remove the pods from the top. Each UFO pod can hold up to 2 milliliters of e-liquid. They are 1.5 ohm nichrome coils wicked with organic cotton. The pods come empty so that you can add your favorite e-liquid. To fill the pods, pull them out of the UFO device. Pull the silicone plug out of the hole. Fill with e-liquid. Push the plug back in securely. Let the pod sit for 5 minutes to let the e-liquid soak into the organic cotton. Reinsert the pods into the UFO and you're ready to vape. The UFO is a unique device. I love the idea of multiple flavors in one device, and I hope to see future designs on this concept. It would be cool if you could vape and mix and match flavors at the same time, creating new flavors. The UFO is lightweight and definitely stealth and pocket friendly. The draw is comparable to other pod systems, and the coils provided excellent vapor. The 600 mAh battery allowed me to vape for several hours on one charge. My only cons are the pods can be a little tricky to pop out at first, and it would be nice if they included 2 extra pods. I also find it a little tricky to find the air holes without looking because the device is so smooth. Other than that, it's an automatic draw, compact device with an innovative concept that I would love to see more of. The Khree UFO starter kit currently costs $39.99 and additional pods are $2.99 each. It also comes in the colors of black, white, red, and blue. If you had to pick up one for yourself, just click on the info link in the description box below this video. As always, thanks for watching. Please subscribe and connect with me on my social sites. Have an excellent day, and may the vape be with you.